Hey everybody, hi, James Thompson with Gear Jammin Classics again. Hey, I've got another one, another project in the shop that just came in and we're really excited to do. The customers purchased this car at one of the Mecum auctions. It was a very stylish little Mustang. It's a 66 and it had an Eleanor style kit installed on it, and the car, all in all, was a pretty nice little car. Obviously, anytime you buy one at an auction, you always have to be careful, and it's always advisable to take someone with you that is an expert at inspecting these cars. We did run across, it had a beautiful paint job on it, had all new interior, runs good. It's got a little bit newer 302 in it, but there were a lot of modifications to the engine install and the suspension. A lot of items in there that weren't really right, and then some of the stuff that is just old and needs to be freshened up and redone. So we've got plans right now for, we're going to do a complete Shelby suspension under the car, which we do a lot on the Mustangs. That'll include all of your control arms, the Shelby mods, springs, shocks, sway bars, everything under the car to make it handle like it's on rails. We're going to a little bit different size tire and wheel on this car to help accent the suspension that's going under it. I know a lot of people like the large diameter wheels and everything. They look really nice on there, but they don't drive very well on these older suspension packages. So we're going to take care of that for them. But it's going to get a complete new rear end, performance rear springs. The transmission that is in it is like something out of like an old LTD or something like that. So we are going to be putting the correct C4 performance transmission back in it behind the roller 302 that's in it, so that it will bring more of the originality back, get rid of some of the stuff that they cut and hacked up and everything, trying to get this other drivetrain in it. We're going to bring it all back to Mustang like it should be. But I think after that, it's really going to be a nice car. They're going to have a blast driving this car. So I can't wait. All of the components and stuff are here. We're still waiting on the transmission to arrive. And then we will be busting into this thing and get it tore down and completely redone. We'll have some more updates and show you some of the in-progress shots of some of the things that we run across. We'll try to get some video and shoot some of the issues that we've run across during our inspection of this car too, so we can kind of maybe help give you some pointers on things to look for on these cars before you just up and purchase one. So we're really excited about this one. It's going to be a really neat looking little car when we get done with it. Today I wanted to touch bases with you on or basically show you a little project that we've got going on here, a little 52 Chevy pickup. I want to give you kind of a little update real quick of some of the things we've done to this truck. We've got a nice little small block in it. It's got upgraded suspension and stuff on it. We've, all the steering we've gone through, and it's coming together now, and it's really turning out nice. We've got vintage air on it, and fuel injection. It's got the fast fuel injection system on it. The truck's going to be a really nice truck. The owner is interested in being able to drive this truck around pretty much any time without any trouble. And so we've done a lot of work to this truck. All the glass work has been custom. All the shaded glass in the truck. The paint job is beautiful. It's a 70 model Ford color that has been darkened up with some black tint to it. So we call it kind of an extra burnt orange. But this truck's going to be a really nice driver with air conditioning, power steering, all the luxuries, a nice Bluetooth radio, everything in it. We kept everything to try to look kind of classic, like it came in the truck. The bed work, everything that we've got coming along in this thing is going to be really nice. We've got all the woodwork, done. We're waiting to just finalize some of the assembly, on the frame and stuff like that. But it's coming along really good. I think the customer's really going to be excited about it. We're pretty anxious to get this thing on the ground and going. We've got it running now. We've got the fuel system in it. That's all working great. I think it's going to be an excellent little project when this thing hits the road. We've had the project now for almost a year. We're real close to a year on this project. So it came to us out of Florida from another custom shop, and we basically had to disassemble the truck and start over to bring it up to our standards and make all the systems correct and function nicely. And so we've added a lot of other features to it to make it more reliable and just a better project overall. But the owner's going to be really nice. He's going to be excited about it. Hey guys, again, I just wanted to be sure and let you know that we're going to be posting a lot of updates on this little black Mustang and the progress and a lot of stuff that you really need to know about what to look for in auctions and stuff like that. So if you really want to keep up with what we've got going on and see the future videos, be sure and like our YouTube channel and subscribe. That way you'll get the updates and you'll be informed as we post more and more information about this car. It's really going to be a neat project. I think you're going to really like it. Hey guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in today. We had a lot of neat stuff to go over, and we've got a lot more to come. And so I really want to make sure that you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit like on these videos that you like. We've got a lot of updates coming on some of these videos and some of these projects that we really want you guys to see. So subscribe to our channel, hit like on the videos, and we'll be back to see you.